Miss Sam, how you doing? Listen, your friend just come out of therapy. Why? If I ever tell you, you wouldn't believe. The Wolfpack movie. You know, watch the Wolfpack movie on MSC TV network on YouTube 1 and 2. It take over. Everybody I get Wolfpack mania like myself. Me say Hillary. Every time you see the hypocrites and the bad mind people them, me just say, ow! And me start sing that big tune. What we still do? Bad mind. I kill them. Hillary. Me say me gone Wolfpack mad right now. And guess what? The story so hot till now. Even though they do 1 and 2, people are beg for more, so they might come up with 3 and 4 real soon. Go on the channel MSE TV network on YouTube and subscribe. Hillary eat the name of the thing turn up. Me say, you know if you said none to the bad-minded people when them pastors howl. Ow! And then we get the message. The Wolfpack in full effect, fully rep. Me I tell you, Hillary. Me have to check couple counseling session and therapy. Yes, because me's addicted to the Wolfpack movie. Lord Jesus and the actress and actors, them turn up. Me tell you, Hollywood must pick them up. Me say them bad. Right. You gotta check it out now. Alright, you soon howl. Ow! I want this.
Pardon mine, I kill them. Every time them see me a pass, every time them see me a pass.